Unified Zoo Organization UZO, Zomi Chief Association ZCA amadi Zomi Council gi mihut sing na ngasi Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan ga unaduna lamdam asida tangdulai taba hanjil hanabagi matangda wari sanakre Chief Minister gi Secretary ta gi thadorakpa cherol amana hai Babu Parada laiba Chief Minister gi Secretary ta lakiba delegation adu thanga AC gi MLA Tongbram Robindro Nataramno K Chief Minister gi Secretary ta pangthokiba mifamamada delegation aduna hause miyamna thengnariba khudong chadaba kaya gi matangda pukhatki amadi lengakna lamdam asida tangdulai taba hanjil hanaba hotnabada paikhalakpa thabak khudingmakta mateng pangani haibagi thazaba Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan da piramki Furup masal gi marakta wakhal tannaba hotnabadasu mateng pangani haina phongdoklamki delegation aduna Churachandpurda multi utility hall ama sabinaba proposal amasu thangatlamki Manipur gi irang asi thokraba matungda organization ahum asigi mihut sing na Churachandpurdagi Imphal tamna laklaga wari sanaba asi ngasigi asina ahanbane masina lamdam asigi law and order gi fibam fagalakle amade furup masal gi marakta ayat apan yaudana chathok sasin tauba yanare haibadu mayek sengna takle mefamadada saruk yakhiba legitraba MLA Bungsagin Valte gi machanupa social worker Joseph Valte na hai lamdam asida tangdulai taba hanjinduna Chawkhatpa state ama oirapa adu khaurang nangai haiki.
So we came down to the Chief Minister office today. We have a great interaction with the Chief Minister, and we are looking for peace and prosperity to be come to the Manipur state, and looking forward for peace and prosperity. Thank you.
Mifam aduga mari leinana Zomi Council gi Chairman Bumswan Nolak na hai ngasi Churachandpurdagi mihut khara lakliba si Churachandpur district da hauzik oiriba fibam adugi matangda Chief Minister ga paudamba amadi furuk masal gi marakta thazaba hanjinnahan ba lakpane Chief Minister ga famkiba mifamadu mapungfaba amadi mai pakpa mifamama oiki state asida atuba matamda tangdulai taba hanjilaklakani haibagi thazabalai haina mahakna haiki
We came from Lamka this morning to meet Honorable CM regarding the ongoing developments in Sisipur district and to build mutual confidence. We were having a very healthy and warm interaction, and after the discussions we partook a delicious lunch. And we are very grateful that the state government is reaching out so that we could work.
Zomi Council ge Information and Publicity Secretary Mary Jones na hai chahi ahum hena Imphal da lakpa fangludraba matungda amuk hana lakpa fangba ase nungaiba poi ngasi Imphal tamna lakpa ngamliba ase lamdam asigi mahausa gi fibam da hanjilakle haibagi mayek laraba khudamni haiki
Ngasi Imphal lakpase is very nungaide we Manipur Valley Hills the relation names adum fazana chatpase pami adum khakhatna justice haisra koina waba thingnaba si chahi hum manungda koina thingnaba singse reconcile natrega looking back to our Sikh culture haibutare
Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan gi Maikai digisu member taramari na saba delegation aduda lenga ki Maikai digi pangba yaba mateng khuding mag pangani amadi lanasina sokhalaba sing athubada mahosagi punsida hanjil hanna bahotnagani stakeholder khuding magnasu hauzik oiriba state asigi fibam ase fagat hanna bahotnabada mateng pangbiu haiki ngasi Chief Minister ga Unnakhre sing adugi manungda Zomi Chief Association gi Vice President P Guite UZO gi Lian Khan Kub Zosu Sarugyaki